In the last video, I showed you how to add existing activities like videos, web links, and RSS feeds. I also showed you how you could add an activity that you even created yourself, for example, the one I created through Padlet.com that was created as a URL. In this video, I'm going to go yet even a step further and show you how you can add assignments, PDF files, videos that you create, and using two special apps within MindTap that you may be familiar with. One is Google Docs or Google Drive, and the other one is Kaltura. So let's say I wanted to, or let's say I created a couple of videos for the critical thinking chapter. And there are a couple of websites and software that you can use out there to create screencasts, for example. Two of my favorite for screencasts specifically are Screencast-O-Matic and Jing. Both of them allow you to create a screencast that is a video of what's on your screen, just like what you're seeing right now, along with you speaking, just like I'm doing right now. So basically what I'm doing right now is a screencast. I use another software, web-based software called iJot if I want to create a video where my face is in it as well. You can do that as well with Screencast. One of the things I like about iJot is that I can use my iPhone even to create that video. So that's one reason why I would use that over Screencast. But Screencast-O-Matic is free and it does all of it for you. So I'm going to show you that my colleague and I, Sean, have created several things, and she created a couple of videos, specifically lectures for Chapter 7. So I'm going to show you how to add those. So we go to the screencast, and one of the videos that she created was on 4 ways to solve problems. So specifically with problem solving in Chapter 7. And I think that's something that we would probably want to add right after the reading in Chapter 7. So we can click plus, we can click activity. Now, again, we use Screencast-O-Matic for this, so this one was specifically done with a web link, meaning that it was created with a URL. So if we click on URL and we put in the specific or unique URL to that video, you see that how do you solve a problem, and you see the screencast there show up. Again, you can write text before, text after. Don't forget to scroll down. You click save, and then you want to place it. And I told you that I wanted to place it probably right before the TED Talk, the Daniel Goldstein TED Talk. So now I click save here, and there it is. How do you solve a problem? When I click on it, or when the student clicks on it, they can automatically go to the screencast and play it. Sean also recorded a video on how to answer Journal 16 and 17. So we're going to add this the same way as we did the last video. And this one we probably want right before the Chapter 7. If you look at the activities within Chapter 7 thinking, and just so you know, you see icons. You probably have been seeing these in the last few videos, but the icons on the left tell you what type of item is in that what we call plank. This is a video. It has a little play button, or it's media. This is a web link. It says assessment, but it could be an assignment in general. So, you know, it's graded, so that's why it's called an assessment. Here you have a book. This takes you to the reading. This actually takes you to the chapter, and you see that there are several activities within here, including Journal 16 and 17. And then we have the web link, the video, the reading, the assignments, and at the bottom, the RSS feed as well. So this specific video that I'm going to add is talking about how to respond to journals 16 and 17, excuse me. So we're going to add it before the chapter 7 thinking. Add activity. It's a web link. And we click, paste the URL in there again, text before and after. And we click save. We're going to put it before, let's see, we're going to put it before the reading. There it is. And we click save. And there it is. How do I answer journal 16 and 17? So now let me show you a couple of other cool things. Things that you can, things meaning activities that you can create and add yourself. So I showed you the, like I said before, the RSS feed, the web search, and the web link. But look at this button here at the very bottom. It's called My Content. When we click on that, you will see that we have two apps, Mind apps, within this My Content. One of them is Google Drive, and this links up to your Google Drive directly. So when you sign in here, you sign right into Google Drive, or it'll also allows you to upload files right from your own desktop, from your laptop. And these files include, anything Microsoft Word like documents, spreadsheets, PDF files, PowerPoints, etc. And then the other app that you see here is Kaltura, and that is for uploading videos. It's also for creating videos. So if you don't want to use Screencast-O-Matic or iJot or Jing, you can also create your own videos within Kaltura. But let me show you how we can upload an activity. So I created an activity specific to critical thinking using ratemyprofessor.com. So this activity actually, when I say I created it, I borrowed it. It was Skip Downing that actually created it. So let's go ahead and make sure that we attribute it to the correct person. Skip Downing. Okay, and then you can put copyright, all rights reserved, etc., etc., and then you can upload it. And you will see that it's uploaded. You want to click on the button so that you can add it to your course, to your learning path. You click continue. Like anything else, you can write text before and after. And then here's the activity. This allows the students to look at the activity outside of class. They can print it out, complete it outside of class, or you can ask them to bring it completed to class or uncompleted to class so they can do it in class. And we're going to do it before homework and click save. So if I scroll down, you see the Rate My Professor activity, and this is an activity that, quote unquote, I created myself. Let me show you how to add a video with Kaltura. So we go down to My Content again after we click on Add Activity. We click on Kaltura, and you see here Kaltura gives you the option to upload and to capture. We're just going to look at uploading in this video. You click Browse. You look for it in the videos, and I named this one Time Management. And it's a video of me. Click Upload. And you see it downloads, or uploads I should say, fairly quickly. You click, you choose it, you click Continue, then you add it to your course or your learning path by clicking Save. And since this one's on time management, I actually don't want it in week 7. I could still create it while I'm in while I was technically in the week 7 folder, but I want to put it down in week 3. And I want to put it at the end of, at the end is fine actually. And we click Save. And it won't show up here, but it will actually show up in week 3. In the next video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of how MindTap integrates with your learning management system.